Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have Apink for you, Love Me More. So for you guys who are into this genre, this is a great song. And I think they are like a South Korean girl group. Yes, I know many people like this kind of music, and you can translate almost anything onto a guitar. So that's what we're gonna try to do right now. As you can see, no need for any setup here, just a clean fretboard, and I believe 11 chords to go over. So let's do that. We're gonna start with the C major 7. And that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. Next is the C minor 7. Just a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 3rd fret and you push down 5 strings there, the first from bottom up, and then you need to add 5th on D and 4th on B. Then we also got the B minor 7, exact same grip, you just slide 1 fret out. So you align with the mid finger, the index finger on the 2nd fret as a bar, and everything else there follows at 4th D and 3rd B. Then we can continue this sliding thing here to the D minor 7. You take the exact same grip and you place the index finger now on the 5th fret, and everything else there follows. That means you gotta add 7th on D and 6th on B. That's a D minor 7, and we're gonna go further 1 fret inwards to play the D sharp major 7. So you have the bar finger now, index finger on the 6th position, same 5 strings, and then you need to add 8 on D, 7 on the G string, and 8 on B. Alright, then we're gonna go into the E7. It goes open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, open E. We also got the A minor 7. Open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. Then we have the D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. The A7. Open A, 2nd D, open G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally, the B7, which is a bar chord. Again, a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings, the same as before. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. And there, I think we got all the chords. Now, let's go into the strumming. Start with the first chord, C major 7. Grab that one, and one round goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, down, clap. Okay, and then it follows down, up, down, clap, down. And together it's down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Alright, so let's start with the verse play. You're gonna play C major 1, C minor 7 1, B minor 7 1, and E7 1. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. That is the verse play for 4 rounds. Then into the pre-chorus. You're gonna play 1 down of the following chords: A minor, B minor 7, C minor 7, a pause, and then you start again on C minor 7, then D minor 7, and then D sharp major 7. You play it for only this 1 round, and that's it. Then comes the chorus. You're gonna play again back to the strumming pattern, and the first half goes C major 7 1, D1, B minor 7 1, E7 1. The second half goes in the same way, almost, just the ending difference. C major 1, D1, B minor 7 1, and instead of playing E7 1, now you're gonna play the B7 1. That is what I played in the introduction of this tutorial. You're gonna play for 2 full rounds. And that is the first round. The second round is pretty much repetition, but you're gonna have play this verse play. Instead of playing 4 rounds, you could play for only 2 rounds. The pre-chorus is played in the same way, the second chorus exactly the same for the 2 rounds, and after that comes the bridge parts. What you're going to do here is to play the E minor for 3 full strumming rounds. So you're going to play E minor, 3 full rounds, and then you're going to play the A7, 2 downs, and D, 2 downs. So like this. And that's it for the bridge. Then you're gonna fall back into the final chorus, play that in the same way as you played before, but only for 1 round, and that, my friend, wraps it up for Love Me More. So if you love me just a little bit more after this tutorial, if that helped you, then give me some love, and go with a thumb up, leave me a comment what you think of this tutorial, and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, guys, play tuned.